Hey there, budget buddies. If you're a fan of YNAB, that's you need a budget for the newcomers. You know how powerful it is for tracking your finances. But sometimes, life throws a curveball, and you need to start fresh by resetting your budget. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step in this quick tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clean slate and be back on top of your money game. First off, let's talk about why you'd want to reset. Maybe you're kicking off a new year, simplifying your categories, or just fixing some setup mistakes. Whatever the reason, YNAB makes it straightforward and safe. To get started, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account. I'll walk you through the web version, but the app is pretty similar. Head to your dashboard. That's the main page where you see all your budgets. Step 1. Locate the budget you want to reset. If you only have one, it should be right there front and center. Step 2. Click on the gear icon or settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. This opens up your budget options. Step 3. Scroll down to the Budget Settings section. Look for an option that says something like Start Over or Reset Budget. Go ahead and select it. Step 4. YNAB will pop up a confirmation dialog because, hey, this is a big step. It warns you that resetting will erase your current data, so double check if you need to export or back up anything first. If you're sure, confirm the action. Once that's done, YNAB will create a brand new budget for you. Now's your chance to set up fresh categories, import any transactions, and tailor it to your needs. Pro tip. Always back up your data before resetting to avoid any surprises. And just like that, you're ready to rock your finances again. Resetting might seem daunting, but it's a great way to refocus. If you run into any issues, check YNAB's Help Center or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, a fresh budget means a fresh start. See you in the next video.